এটা ভাই আমার সাথে দিন আছে
আমার ছবিও না স্টিল ছবিও না
language adoption strategies, interviews with scientists, policymakers, and activities can debunk misinformation and provide celebrate climate insight. President Barendra Betar Srota Sangho, Chapanawagwan. Special guest Mr. Abdul Salim Azad and Mr. Samsul Alam, assistant teacher English, Paranpur High School, has taken his seat as a special guest. 2025, like every year, greetings to all of you on this program. Happy World Radio Day 2025. Dear friend, the theme of the World Radio Day this is your radio and climate sense. Radio can play a circle.
Your President or Honorable President of Shetu RFI English Service, Sir Mohammad Sultan Mahmood, your President or Honorable Chief Guest, Sir Abdul Mannan, Assistant Teacher English, Shunamashna Girls, Shunachandi Girls School, and also President of Borando Baker Sruta Shango Brothers. I want to enlarge my lecture. My dear colleagues who are present, I would like to request our Honorable President later on when this program will be arranged again, I would like to sound a common phrase in front of this dais, please. Okay, so I don't want to enlarge my lecture. Allah Hafiz, be happy to all and pray for me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
President Barendra Betar Listeners Association, Sapanawagans. Please, sir, I request to you say something about this day, sir.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everybody. My left side, Sultan Mahmood Sarkar, who is a president of Shetu Radio Club. My right side, special guest